I think it's time for bedroom fire alarm test 21. So let's just go over all the devices real quick. The smoke detectors are, as always, the same. The strobe on the left is a Gamewell 72035. It's basically a wheel lock RSS. And on the right, I have my wheel lock MT24 LSM on March time horn, I think. I don't remember. It's been a while since I tested this. Down here we have Notifier NVG12L and a Notifier LNG1R. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, for a change, let's deactivate this. Well, this is going to be an interesting change to a video. That right there is why you do system tests, to find issues like these. Now, I don't really have time to fix it, so we'll just let it be and I'll go reset the panel and we'll call it a video. But that's just a little lesson about why you do tests. So that is the end of the video for today. I'm planning on my next video being my 100 subscriber and National Fire Alarm Day special. So I'll have a little message on that video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.